Alright guys, I've already ripped out half of my dash because I'm getting the tablet conversion carbon fiber overlaid, so I'm going to be putting my old one back in temporarily. I'm removing this to get to that that's underneath. So I know there's two screws here and here, which is hard to see. There's two screws on either side, and then down here there's screws on the side right here. It's hard to see on both sides that I have to unscrew as well. So let me do all that. So the next thing you gotta do is there's these two pigtails. You just push in and pull out. There's like a little thumb clip. There's like a little thumb clip, so you just pull those out. You see they're just little push in with your finger and then pull. So there's two of those that go to the controls. I don't know if yours will have it or not, because mine have the climate control seats. So I have to disconnect those. That way I can pull this out. So you have 3 bolts that are going to be right here, here, and here that are 12 millimeter sockets. Then you're going to have the ebrake bolt that comes through. That's 10 millimeter. And basically feeds through there. So this is the old one. You also have a push ground right here. So it's like a push pin to squeeze in on one side and pull up. You also have a wiring peg that just use some pliers on the opposite side and squeeze it and push it through. And I'll show you on the installed one. I forgot to just want to get this out quickly. So the new one that's going in. All right, not the easiest to see, but if you look over here to the side, you have that push in to disconnect that. Then you have that black little push in to pull off the ground. I believe that's a ground for the e-brake. And then that's it. And then there's the 1, 2, and then 3 in the back screws. So e-brake installed. Looks so much better. Now to get rid of I hate this plastic. I absolutely, it's so ugly. I want to get rid of this. So that's the next project. Alright, just to show you the final product. Absolutely love it. There's plenty of extra length under here. And then it looks, you know, you can't tell that it's an auto anymore. Well, I mean, unless you know what your, you know, pedal shifters. But then you have e-brake. It works, you know, just like a normal e-brake. So yeah, it's awesome. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever videos YouTube recommends to you.